The era of waiting for an AI to answer your prompts is officially dead. Until now, AI has been entirely reactive. You open a chat box, you type a question, and you wait. But Anthropic is about to change the entire landscape of work with a leaked project called Claude Orbit. This isn't just an assistant, it is a proactive intelligence layer that works entirely in the background while you sleep. Orbit connects directly to your entire work stack, your Gmail, Slack, GitHub, Figma, and Google Drive. While you are offline, it continuously analyzes threads, code commits, and design changes. By the time you wake up, it has already processed your entire digital environment and prepared a personalized, actionable intelligence briefing. No prompting needed. You start your day already in motion. Now, massive enterprise companies are going to pay Anthropic millions for this kind of infrastructure. But here is the secret. You do not have to wait for this to launch, and you don't have to pay enterprise fees. You can build these exact proactive autonomous systems locally on your own machine right now. And that is exactly what we are doing inside the AI Money Forge. Our private school community is the command center for builders who refuse to rent intelligence. Inside the Forge Arsenal 5 IP, I'm giving you my exact battle-tested agent blueprints. We just dropped a massive masterclass on building computer use agent workflows with OpenClaw 4.27. You get the raw code, the automation stacks, and the step-by-step SOPs to deploy your own proactive AI employees that run 24/7. Whether you want to build an autonomous content engine or an outbound sales agency, the blueprints are waiting for you. Stop reacting to AI news and start building the future. Click the first link in the description, join the Forge, and let's get back to the breakdown. So, how does Anthropic's new proactive system actually function? It operates on a continuous four-step cycle: awareness, analysis, briefing, and action. First, you securely connect your stack. Orbit then acts as a silent observer. If you are a developer, it is monitoring your GitHub PRS and matching them against Slack discussions. If you are a product manager, it is connecting the dots between customer feedback emails and your Figma design boards. When you open your computer, you aren't greeted with a blank chat window. You are handed a prioritized briefing of exactly what changed overnight, complete with one-click actions. It will draft a reply to a client, investigate a failing code deployment, or summarize a design review instantly. If you look at the leaked competitive comparisons, Claude Orbit completely outclasses ChatGPT Pulse and Gemini's proactive features, specifically because of its deep integrations with developer and design workflows. If you think this is just a concept, look at the recent leaks hitting the timeline. Major AI news outlets and insider accounts like Testing Catalog have uncovered the back-end code and UI animations for Orbit. The leaks suggest that Anthropic is positioning these AI agents to completely transform financial services, development teams, and project management. The writing is on the wall. The most valuable AI won't be the one that writes the best poem. It will be the one that seamlessly integrates into your existing business operations and saves you hours of manual context switching every single morning. And we finally have our first look at the actual user interface. Hidden inside the latest builds of the Claude Mac app, you can see the proactive system coming to life. Instead of a blank prompt, the AI surfaces a contextual widget on the right side of the screen. It reads, "Several messages mention an unresolved decision. Follow up on the launch review thread." It is actively pushing tasks to you based on your email and Slack history. And if you dive into the settings, you can see new toggles for cowork and a beta feature called Dispatch, which allows Claude to work on tasks from your phone using your computer's local resources. The shift from chatbots to autonomous proactive agents is happening this very second. The only question is, are you going to let an AI manage you, or are you going to build the AI that manages your business? The choice is yours. Click the link below, join the AI Money Forge, and I will see you on the inside. Make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.